What's up, everybody? We are back with another video and another new 2026 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we're going to take a look at Matchbox Off Road II, and we get started with a quick look at the packaging. Here we do have our models: the 2010 Ford F-150, SVT Raptor, Toyota Hilux pickup, a generic casting, the Swamp Raider, 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. Our cover model here is the Toyota Hilux pickup. And with that said, let's get started. Let's slide our models out. And we start from the bottom with this one here, 2016 Toyota Tacoma. And this thing is pretty interesting in different ways. It is relatively old, 2016. And the interesting thing is we've only seen 3 versions so far. We've seen this one, we've seen this one, and another one that I don't have. But I mean, as you can see, this is pretty old and only 3 versions. That is really interesting. I don't know why that happened. And yeah, then you can see we have a removable part, this kind of roof tent, or I mean the part sits on the bed of the truck. And you see, as always, when they do something like this, when we get this detachable part, or I don't know, an extra axle or more deco, then they have to save money in another way. And you can see this one has no interior. And the weird thing is, I have no idea why they put this, I don't know, gray plastic in there, because I mean, although it doesn't have an interior, I mean, it looks much better with blacked out windows. So I don't know, honestly. But yeah, that was our first model. Let's get this one into the parking lot as we take a look at the next one, which is the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. We've seen this one in a recent 5-pack, but the other one was a re-release. Now, this is a new version in orange. So you can see here it's saying Mojave, or yeah, pretty nice. This is the black version. The green version, and I hope it fits on the turntable. I don't know. I don't want to throw them to the floor. A blue version. So yeah, there we go. I think I'm only missing one in red. So yeah, nice colors. Let's put our orange Gladiator in the parking lot. As we go on with the only generic casting here in this set, the Swamp Raider. I think this is also pretty old. Let's take a look at the base. 2014. So yeah, it's 12 years old. As you can see, it comes with this trailer hitch on the back, and this interesting transparent roof piece with the 2 shovels saying baby mother trucking. And as you can see, some mud splashes. So we have the weathered version. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I only have one other version. I'm pretty sure this version is also from another multi-pack, 5-pack, whatever. What does this one say? Camp Arrow, focus, Camp Arrow Flint. Yeah, so into the parking lot it goes. And yeah, then to this one here. This is pretty cool. The Toyota Hilux pickup. And I think this is the first time we see this one in kind of a racing or rally deco. You see the huge Yokohama logo on the back. It looks pretty cool. We have the front deco and Toyota badge. Nothing on the back. But yeah, I think the The deco looks pretty cool. Right-hand drive version. So I think it's the first time you see this kind of racing deco. I've seen this casting before. This is from, by the way, 2018. Red. Some kind of Subaru green. Blue. And in white. So here you can see some of these, because they don't have deco on the side, to come with some details on the back, which is also pretty cool. Yeah, but this one is pretty nice. And there's only one left, which is this guy here. The 2010 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. And yeah, I went through my collection, but I don't think I have any other version of this casting, which is interesting. Thought it has already been in some 5-pack or something. This one is from 2009, so this is pretty old, but the deco is kind of cool. It's saying Maui Island Downhill Tiki Race. It's pretty cool. The color is also pretty cool. Somewhere between, I would say, turquoise and baby blue. I mean, these things always look a little bit strange when they don't have any deco on the front, but deco on the side is pretty nice. And yeah, there we have it. As always, at the end, I'm picking a favorite. This one time's pretty easy, because our cover model, in my opinion, is the best one. The Toyota Hilux pickup. This one looks really, really cool. Cool version. Nice addition to the collection. I showed you the other 4 versions that I have, and I think I'm missing 2 versions. But this one, pretty nice. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.